RA4000 radio altimeter system has a 0 setting plug, a display, interconnect cable with RS-232 output connector, receiver transmitter box, antenna cables, and antennas. When power is applied to the radar altimeter system, the display will indicate a self-test, which will take a few seconds to finish. During this test, the display may blank and it may show all 8s. You can tell that the self-test is finished because at the end we'll be seeing an altitude on the left and a decision height set on the right. Once the radar altimeter has gone through its self-test and is in normal function, you may adjust the display brightness by first depressing the mode button to cause the unit to display all 8s, and then turning the DH button to change the display intensity. At the end of setting display intensity, depress the mode button one more time to have the unit display standard altitude and decision height. To set 0 on the radar altimeter, find the 0 adjust plug, the communications cable, make sure the altimeter is turned off, connect the 0 adjust plug to the data communications cable, power on the unit, and wait for 30 seconds. Disconnect the 0 adjust plug, reapply power, and check to see if the 0 setting is correct. If not, repeat the procedure until the 0 adjust is as good as it can get. GPS power is supplied through a cable and connector. The power voltage must be 9 to 18 volts. Our system supplies 12 volts power for this instrument. Data output is via RS-232 on 2 ports, COM1 and COM2. There's a light next to each port to indicate data activity on the port. COM1 port is set aside for navigation. The data rate is 10 Hertz, and you can see the light flashing quite rapidly. COM2 is set aside for data recording by the geophysical data logging system. Data output rate is 1 Hertz, and you can see that the light is flashing infrequently compared to COM1's light. Control for setup and configuration of the GPS is through a USB port, and a USB cable is applied.
Pricing and contact information can be found on our website at www.geometrics.com, or simply call us at 408-954-0522.